The G.U.A.R.D.I.A.N framework, why most sustainability plans fail. Most sustainability frameworks are just fancy PowerPoints. They look impressive in boardrooms, sound great in press releases, but solve nothing. After 40+ years in regenerative forestry, I've discovered why and built something that actually works. The problem. Here's why most reforestation projects fail. They optimize one piece while ignoring the system. Everyone focuses on carbon credits, but ignores farmer economics. Tree planting, but ignores supply chains. ESG compliance, but ignores scalability. What if there was a framework that integrated everything? That's the G.U.A.R.D.I.A.N framework, not another acronym, but a complete operating system. The framework breakdown. G. Growing sustainable biomass. G. Growing sustainable biomass at scale. Not 10 acres, but thousands that move the needle. Paulownia grows 15 to 20 feet per year, 68 wet tons per acre annually, harvest ready in 3 to 5 years versus 20 to 40 for traditional forestry. U. Unifying stakeholders. U. Unifying industry, farmers, and environment. Most projects pick winners and losers. We create win-win-win. Industry saves $660 million annually. Farmers get diversified income. Environment eliminates 262,000 hectares of deforestation yearly. A. Achieving net zero. A. Achieving actual net zero operations. Not carbon neutral with questionable offsets, but verified removal. 117 metric tons CO2 sequestered per hectare with blockchain verification and real-time monitoring. R. Regenerating landscapes. R. Regenerating degraded landscapes. We don't touch native forests. We restore abandoned agricultural areas, eroded hillsides, contaminated sites. Create value where others see waste. D. Diversifying income. D. Diversifying rural income streams. 5 revenue sources: biomass sales, carbon credits, biochar, honey, and premium timber. Farmers prosper even when markets fluctuate. I. Integrating carbon economics. I. Integrating carbon credit economies. Carbon credits subsidize fuel costs to near zero. 7,779 acres generates $184,000 to $5.3 million annually, depending on market type. A. Accelerating solutions. A. Accelerating climate solutions. Most reforestation takes decades. We deliver in 3 to 5 years, fast enough for 2030 climate targets. N. Nurturing supply chains. N. Nurturing 35+ year supply chains. Paulownia compasses 7 times with no replanting needed. Continuous biomass supply for decades. Proof. Zimbabwe case study. The proof? Zimbabwe case study. Before, $792 million annual wood costs, massive deforestation. After, $132 million costs. That's $660 million saved annually. Additional benefits: $62 to $156 million in carbon credits, $61 to $103 million in biochar, 130,000 plus households benefit, 15,000, 25,000 jobs created. Total impact: $787 to $924 million annually. Why it works. Why does this work when others fail? 5 reasons. Systems thinking. Every element supports the others. Economic viability. It's more profitable than extractive models. Proven technology. 40+ years research across 60+ countries. Transparent verification through blockchain monitoring. And it's scalable, replicable across industries and geographies. The bottom line. Most frameworks are words on a page. The G.U.A.R.D.I.A.N framework is an operating system for regenerative transformation, already reshaping industrial sustainability from tobacco to steel. Now it's your turn. Want the complete implementation guide? We're happy to organize a time to speak with you about this solution. Book a private consultation call to speak directly at bioeconomysolutions.com. Protecting supply chains, restoring forests, securing futures.